Latest update for tomorrow. Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is South-South Cooperation Day. The International Day of South-South Cooperation is celebrated on September 12. It aims to highlight the importance of cooperation among people and countries in the global South. The day also aims at spreading awareness on the social, economic, and political developments made in the southern region. Now, information about South-South cooperation. It is done through a broad framework of collaboration among countries of the South in the political, economic, social, cultural, environmental, and technical domains. Involving two or more developing countries, it can take place on a bilateral, regional, intra-regional, or inter-regional basis. Through South-South collaboration, developing countries share knowledge, skills, expertise, and resources to meet their development goals through concrete efforts. Objectives of South-South cooperation are foster and strengthen the self-reliance of developing countries by enhancing their creative capacity to find solutions, promote and strengthen collective self-reliance among developing countries through the exchange of experiences, and recognize and respond to the problems and requirements of the least developed countries, landlocked countries, etc.